In this video, I will show you how to copy hashtags from an Instagram post. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. There are several benefits to copying hashtag on Instagram, like to save time and effort. Manually typing out hashtags every time you post a photo or video can be time-consuming and tedious. Let's go ahead and open Instagram. Go to a post which you want to copy hashtags. Now, what you need to do next is take a screenshot of that post. After that, go back to your home screen. Open Gallery, then select the screenshot. Now tap on this T icon. This will auto-detect a text inside your photo. Now just highlight all the hashtags and then click Copy. Now, if your phone doesn't have that feature, we have another way of doing it. Open the Google app. Now tap on this camera-like button. Tap on Text. Then click Gallery button and import the screenshot. Now it will start detecting text in your photo. Just scroll the photo and then highlight again the hashtags. Finally, click the Copy button. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.